tell you what God loves and non-prophet to prophet. I'm the cracker that's going to come out on top. You know, I'm that guy. People, everybody knows people that are certified fucking crazy. You know, they right in the head. What's the deal? They tell me that I ain't right in the head. I'm crazy. But that's okay. I've got an excellent dude. I've got an ex-girlfriend. She gave me one good joke. Your mom is so Catholic it makes me want to drink a half gallon of whiskey, pop her in the eye, and knock the shit out of you and let the neighbor your brother for years on end. But I'm not that guy. It's just not me. Good for it. There any racists out there? Fuck you! I like my chicken fried and my watermelon warm. Any gay people out there? Hey, take a hold and get yourself a fist bump before a gay marriage. It's all good. What you like, what you like. I like what am I going to read right here? Wrong page. I don't get abusive relationships. What's going through the guy's mind? I can't long dick her. I'm going to pop her in the eye. I ain't got no special tongue skills. I'm gonna kitty punch that bitch. I just don't understand. I don't get it. And pigment is not necessarily a flesh tone. It's a misunderstanding between you and the officer when he pulls out that print your sack kit. It is not pretty. And have you noticed anything like this at turpentine? I was up in the Northeast, you know, where everybody says, oh, I'm running that shit. Motherfucker! The fuck? You ain't running the Northeast, I bet you haven't even been there. But I went to this gas station and this guy's like, oh, sorry, I'm off my list today. Please bear with me. Oh, no, not blow up your family. Just kidding. Oh, suicide bombers hot. Oh, shit, no, sorry, officer. Please bear with me. What did you say, Barbaros and a fucking brewing peppers with that? 1750. Oh, no, just kidding. I was trying to help my mess today. Well, I'm in Woodrow. I gotta go. Thank you, folks. Have a good one.